So let's go back in time a little bit. In 1972, Stonhard selected Fort Wayne to locate our aggregate processing facility. The company was relatively young, even though they had started business in 1922. It wasn't until the 1950s that we became the company that we are today. So let's fast forward now more than 50 years. The Fort Wayne operation now has 2 operations locations here in Fort Wayne, and it's through the hard work and dedication of all of you that team has been able to continuously grow Stonehard's business all of these years and has a bright future for continued growth as we look forward. The state-of-the-art processing plant is safer, more efficient, and dramatically increases the capacity of our Fort Wayne operations.
The investment, which was quite large, made to our operations team here means a great deal to all of us and further displays the faith you have in all of this team. It's because of all your voices and determination that grow these plants into what they are made this all possible. We are not who we are without all of you guys. And you know, we try to express that to you guys and show that to you guys, but we truly aren't doing what we do without each and every one of you guys. Keep growing into the leaders that you guys are, and just keep on making that magic happen, as I like to say.